In most communities, there are the haves and the have-nots. But in communities of the Far East Side, the haves were moving out. Families were torn apart by poverty and starvation. Drugs and crime had flooded our streets. It seemed as if there were no way out for many. And for our youth, but in 2001, communities of the Far East Side caught a glimpse of light at the end of their path. Finally, help was on the way.
Pathway's mission is to provide affordable housing, transportation services, to promote resident sufficiency, and bridge the digital divide while reducing welfare dependency and crime on the Far East Side of Indianapolis and surrounding communities.
Over the next 20 years, Pathway and their partners provided food, clothing, and many opportunities to the community. That little glimpse of light became a beacon of hope to many families and surrounding communities.
So being the police is not always about arresting people. It's also about crime prevention. And that's what we're doing here in this community. Trying to build a bridge and build a way to connect with our community. And with organizations like Pathways, we're working together, kind of like the essence of it takes a village to raise a child. Well, this is the community coming together to bring peace, and that's the mission really with this partnership.
They partnered with the local law enforcement, and they've built relationships with local resources to create ambassadors for the community.
Pathway Resource Center is committed to the revitalization of the community and the enhancement of quality of life for the community, one family at a time.
But this beacon of hope is only as powerful as its supporters.
But our work is not done. We still need your help to continue our work.
Now is your chance to keep this beacon shining bright. Now is your chance to take part in the full restoration of the Far East Side. Will you join us?